I need to talk to you. Avoid these 5 things. Otherwise, you're going to lose everything. Number 1, you put in money that you need. And a lot of people not only put in desperate money in their first year, they also open an account with super high leverage. I've spoken overseas outside of Singapore, okay? I'm not going to mention which country. There are certain cultures. If you're not using 1:400 leverage, you are a coward. Are you sure you want to play with Mr. Market like that? Because I can tell that it's not going to end up so well. It might work out right now, maybe for the first month, second month. Oh yeah, high leverage, earn a lot of money instantly. Try again next month. Try again in the next 6 months. See whether account is still there or not. Second thing you should not do ever is to go around course shopping. Like you go to all these events, it's fine because you can network and learn from people. But if you go to all these events, buy all these courses, buy all these books to find the loss proof indicator strategy, you're not gonna find it. You're not gonna find it. Warren Buffett, once in a while he appears in the news, okay, where he loses money in an investment. Okay, the media publicizes his losses. Why is it that he still loses money once in a while? Why is it that George Soros doesn't make money in all his trades? Why is it that none of them can make money all the time? It's because losses are part and parcel of trading and investing. Third thing you shouldn't do. Why are you listening to people who are working a 9-to-5 job? Like you're trying to build a career in trading, right? A trading business, right? Why are you caring what your relative cousin is saying when he or she is working a 9-to-5 job? I don't know about you, but if I am looking to become a successful business woman, who do you think I should seek advice from? Tell me. Tell me. I should go find a successful business woman or man and learn from him or her, right? Does it make sense to you that I go to a random guy or girl working a corporate job and be like, excuse me, can you teach me how to start a business? The first thing they'll say, you want to do that risky stuff? What if you don't earn money from it? What if your product fail? What if your customers don't buy from you? What if you become broke? I get it, it's hard, like sometimes your husband or wife be like, it's either trading or me. Choose one. Sometimes people can be conservative and you cannot blame them because they grew up in the industrial revolution. There's no TikTok, no YouTube, no Facebook, you know, where job stability is the thing. Was the thing. Even though my parents, they're very accepting because they are stock investors, but not all my relatives are that accepting. It's hard to ignore other people's comment because sometimes whatever they say, it means a lot to you. And sometimes it might hurt you. I understand how it feels because every day I deal with shit comment. Fourth thing you shouldn't do is to ignore trading psychology, risk management, and also fundamental analysis, sentiment analysis, and intermarket analysis. Now I know that in the first year, learning FA, sentiment, and intermarket is a little bit too much. So in your first year, just focus on your strategy, risk management, and trading psychology. The problem with most beginner traders in their first year, all they learn is what? Technical indicators, strategy, trading system, and then a chart. Even if they do learn risk management, they just learn a little bit here and there. A leverage margin, just over leverage, doesn't matter. Trading psychology is also boring for some people. It's not a sexy topic. I didn't sign up for psychology classes. Tell your boss to take you back. Trading is not for you. I'm saying this not to piss you off, but it's because I don't want you to lose money. You think I purposely want to be rude? Number 5, don't trade without a trading plan and without a trading journal. Just buy any notebook and record down every single trade. If you don't want to buy a notebook, just record down onto your Microsoft Word document. Just keep life simple. When I first started off in trading, it's just a blank notebook like this. So I realized that the things that will make you a successful trader are doing the boring stuff. Putting in the time to learn, take notes, recording down trades, crafting, editing, your trading plan, strategy, backtesting. Nobody likes staying at home doing all this stuff when you can go out there and party, watch movie, shopping, right? But when you become successful, the shopping center is still there. The cinema is still there. Right now, it is no playtime. Right now, it's time to work. Okay, so with that, I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.